Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you a video projector, Crenova Mini Home Movie Projector with 200 inches display. Oh, this is a lot. And I own a video projector before, but this is a larger video projector. This is a mini one for traveling, for vacation, etc., caravanning, etc. 50,000 hours LED lamp. Work with phone, PC, Mac, TV Stick, HDMI, PlayStation 4, VGA, SD card, AV and USB as well. Enjoy family movie time. This mini movie projector provides 3,200 lux. That means 2,000 to 1 contrast. 200 inches maximum of display. This is large. Maximum supported 1080p and 50,000 hours of LED lamp life. 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratio at a suitable price for the optimum viewing experience. Operating it as a dark settings is recommended. It is portable video projector. The Crenova XPE498 projector was great design and mini size. Fits for home theater, indoor and outdoor parties without raining drops, of course, because it's not waterproof, okay? Think about this. A mini LED projector, easy for you to carry. The HDMI projector for outside. Easily connected laptops, TV boxes, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, for example, Xbox, to enjoy big games with kids for a joyful parental time. Multimedia projectors with improved van. This LED video projector works with a laptop, Fire Stick, Chromecast, Roku stick, TV box, PlayStation, DVD player, USB drive, smartphone, mirroring with extra lightning, Type-C, MHL, micro USB to HDMI adapter cable. And think about it, it's not included this cable because it will be so special to make each projector with this special wire, of course, but you can buy it separately, no problem. Improved noise reduction technology and a dual van cooling system. This decreases a 90% van sound. Enjoy quieter family movie time. And the big screen size for watching. The viewing size is 33 inches up to monster power 200 inches with a projection distance of 3.7 up to 19.7 feet. Recommended an optimal viewing distance of around for approximately 7-8 feet. This is enough. Just enjoy every wonderful football moment with that smart projector. And it's so easy to install and easy to enjoy. Delight your life with Crenova XPE498 Mini Projector. Enjoy home theater with this mini projector, portable home movie projector thing, with great design and minimal size, suitable for the home theater or outside movie experience. Equipped with a stereo speaker, improved noise reduction tech and cooling system, bring you a nice movie experience. It is a multimedia video game projector. The Crenova Mini Projector tries to design every connection, interface and function the customers may need. AV, SD card, USB, HDMI port, VGA port are all included. Compatible with laptop, Fire TV, Roku stick, Chromecast, TV box, PlayStation 4, DVD, USB drive, etc. Smartphone mirroring with an extra wire, which is not included. The maximum support is 1080p clarity for amazing view experience. Enhance the projector and the contrast to 2001 to restore the future color of the projection display. Built-in stereo surround speakers to restore detailed sound effect. Support the Bluetooth transmitter, which is not included. Connects via the 3.5mm audio jack. Then connect the Bluetooth speaker via the Bluetooth transmitter for pleasant sound in target scenes. That means you have an option to rise up the sound, because the sound of the two speakers are nice, okay. But if you will gain this more up, you will need another sound system. The Crenova XPE498 projector adopted the improved noise reduction technology and a dual fan cooling system succeeded to run the projector quietly and made it easy for you to enjoy the joyful family time. Big screen movie experience, 33 inches up to 200 inches of viewing size with a projecting distance of 3.7 to 19.7 feet. And just enjoy every wonderful football moments or sport moments with this smart projector. And you can play big games as you like with the projector. Connected the game console and the computer via HDMI interface. Don't miss every wonderful football moment with a video game projector or your lovely game content. The TV function also supports seamlessly play content from Netflix, YouTube and more for endless entertainment. Connects Netflix, Fire TV Stick, Chromecast streaming sticks, Roku sticks, Xbox and via HDMI input. You have a display, it's just an LCD display, light source is LED, the lamp life is 50,000 hours plus, the aspect ratio is 4:3 or 16:9, contrast ratio is 2000:1, keystone is plus minus 15 degrees, the projected display is 33 inches up to 200 inches, projected distance is 3.7 to 19.7 feet, the native resolution is 800 to 480 pixels, maximum supported resolution is 1080p. Woo! And this is a good video projector for traveling, for vacation, for outdoor use, but not in rainy surface. Okay? It is nice and easy to connect, as you can see, and you will get for a cheap price. It's not a cheaper price, but it is not so expensive like in television with 200 degrees. Degrees. Wow, 200. This is so large, and you can enjoy this for I think $100. Oh, awesome! Another flat screen of this size will cost 1,000 plus. So, and this it is. I like it really much, and I will use it on vacation and on traveling around the world. You can choose the input sources. You can choose in the main menu different sound options and display options. You can use HDMI. You can use computers as well. And that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.